What's up, guys? A little upset. Life 360 is ruining my life. Go figure. Wife's out of town. I go to leave the house, gonna cheat a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I get a text message saying, "Where you going?" Because of this Life 360. I had to call her. I had to confess. I called her and said, "Baby, this how it's gonna be." And she said, "Where you going?" I said, "Where you think?" She said, "You going to cheat, ain't you?" I said, "Yeah." I can't even get a daggum blizzard without Life 360 telling on me. My life's ruined. It's changed.